Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails. Today we've got a special collaboration hosted by Judy from Judinka Nail Art, and this is the beautiful collage she made of all our manicures. At the end I'll have individual photos, and in the description box you can find links to everybody's video. Let's get started. For my base I chose this beautiful blue Shai nail polish called Winter Dust. To stamp I'll use BeautyBigBang plate number 6 and the black stamping polish, which is number 2. I pick up the image and set it aside to fill it in later. For two of my nails, I'll use this white stamping polish from Bundle Monster called Ban White. For my ring fingernail, I'll apply this Funky Fingers nail polish called Winter is Coming. Using my dotting tool and nail polish, I'll fill in the snowman. Once it's dry, I can apply it directly onto my nail. And I finish off the manicure with my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat. The manicure is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! Thank you to Judy for hosting another fun collab, and here are the beautiful manicures that were prepared. Don't forget to check the description box for links to everybody's video.